Can blocked vents damage my furnace? Yes, blocked vents can make your furnace overheat, work harder, shut off too often, and even wear out sooner. When your furnace runs, it needs air moving in and out the right way, kind of like how you need to breathe when you run around. If a vent is blocked by a couch, rug, dust, snow, bird nests, or even a closed register, the furnace cannot move heat safely. That trapped heat can make parts inside get too hot, and the furnace may turn itself off as a safety step. This is important because the safety switch is not there to be annoying, it is there to stop damage and lower danger. A less known detail is that blocked vents can also push dirty air back into the system, which can collect dust on the heat exchanger and make the furnace less efficient. Over time, that means higher energy bills and more repairs. The simple habit that helps most is checking vents and air returns every month, and making sure furniture, boxes, curtains, and rugs are not covering them. If you see a vent with weak airflow, that can be a clue something is blocked somewhere in the system. One common mistake is thinking only the supply vents matter, when return vents matter just as much because they bring air back to the furnace. A quick fix is to keep all returns open and clear, even in rooms you do not use much. Another mistake is closing too many vents to save money, because that can throw off the air balance and stress the furnace instead. A better move is to leave most vents open unless a technician tells you otherwise. People also miss outdoor issues like leaves, snow, ice, or a bird nest around the outside vent pipes, and that can block safe operation too. If you cannot find the cause, check both inside and outside airflow before calling for help. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bhomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.